video, we will overview the college admission process. The journey typically includes researching colleges, taking standardized tests like the ACT and the SAT, completing applications, writing essays, and securing letters of recommendation. Our goal as a counseling department is to provide comprehensive support and resources for each of these steps. To streamline this experience, our school will be utilizing the program Schoolings. This platform offers a range of tools and resources designed to make the college process more efficient and manageable for students, parents, and counselors. Researching colleges is the first step. Encourage your student to explore different types of institutions, including public and private universities, liberal arts colleges, community colleges, and trade opportunities. They should consider factors such as location, size, campus culture, academic programs, and extracurricular activities and opportunities. We recommend visiting campuses, attending college fairs, and using online resources, including Schoolings, to gather information.
So what is Schoolings? Schoolings is the most modern college and career readiness platform specifically designed for today's students. From educating younger learners about potential careers, helping explore and apply to colleges, or finding that entry-level position to jumpstart a career, Schoolings supports every student's journey. Schoolings ensures students have all the necessary solutions that, when combined, provide students with a clear understanding of how their choices impact their future. With access to a variety of self-discovery assessments, students can learn about themselves while aligning to career interests. Students can explore career profiles and clusters, find job openings, internships, and work-based learning opportunities. Based on a student's professional aspirations, they can find the appropriate post-secondary education that will help them achieve their goals. So what can parents do on Schoolings? Parents and guardians are able to access Schoolings and use the platform to monitor and support student progress through their college and career readiness journey. They can view the activities their students have completed, like interest inventories, learning units, and their academic plans. Parents and guardians can see graduation plans and test scores, and even create a list of recommended colleges that students can view and explore. Parents can even use some of Schoolings solutions themselves. They can explore the career information within the Career Center, search for colleges using the search tools, calculate costs of colleges through the college financing tool, and view and register for upcoming school events. Here at Schoolings, we know how important parents and guardians are to students' learning. We encourage engagement between students and their families. A cohesive college and career planning experience helps to ensure that educators, students, and families collaborate from start to finish. Giving families transparency into what students are exploring as it relates to their future, helping to ensure that all students get the support necessary based on their academic performance, goal planning, and post-secondary pathways to support achievement.
While the application process can be daunting, we are here to help. During the month of September, I will be running events to support the senior class. Events include lunchtime workshops on how to apply for college through the Common Application, creating the FSAID for the free application for Federal Student Aid, FAFSA, and writing personal statements for college applications and scholarships alike. Schoolings provides our students with a platform to search for college, track application deadlines, and ultimately submit their college documents.